Perplexity just started rolling out Comet Browser to everybody, which is the #1 AI browser in the world. And if you're not using this new technology right now, you're gonna get left behind because this is even crazier than when ChatGPT got released years ago. By the end of this video, you're gonna learn about 7 crazy things that you could do with this tool that are going to blow your mind. So use case number 1 that I absolutely love with Comet Browser is going through and having it find important unanswered emails. I have it do this every single morning, and you can actually schedule it out so that this happens. We could see that this literally just went through and found me a bunch of emails that are going to be important. And now if I actually want to respond to these, I can come over here and click on this. It opens it up in a new window, and then I can come over here and ask it to respond or do anything else. And as you can see in this inbox right here, I have over 46,000 emails. So guess what? I'm going to come over to this AI assistant right here, and I'm going to say, please go through my email and unsubscribe me from anything that looks like spam or that isn't important. And what this is going to help me do is this is going to help me actually clean up my inbox. This is going to go through, it's going to review all of my different emails to identify which ones of them are spam. We could see that it's going through and it's processing my last 10 emails right here. And then it's going through and it's actually unsubscribing from all these things that it is deeming aren't important at all. It's going through, we can see that it's unsubscribed from this, and this is going to continue to just go through and unsubscribe from a bunch of stuff that I haven't opened in a really long time. And it's going through and doing this with my last 10 emails. Now I can tell it, hey, you did a good job or you didn't do a good job, and then have it go through the rest of my email so I don't have to go through these 46,000 emails. And it's pretty insane to actually be able to watch this and see all the reasoning that it's doing and all the clicking that it's doing and the reason that it's actually going through and subscribing from specific emails that it thinks are spam. It even knew to go to the promotions tab over here to try to find a bunch of things that I don't want anymore. Now the next thing I could do is I could come over to a product right here, and then I could come over here and say, please create an image ad for Facebook that highlights the viral ice cream shorts from BL 101. Now what we did here was literally come over here, just came to this product tab, and then we asked Perplexity to go through and create a vibrant Facebook ad image to actually showcase exactly what this is. And this goes through now, it's going to create an image, and this can create ads for you. It can create ads for you, it can create ads for clients, it can create ads for other products, or even better, let's say that we wanted to make a social media post about this, but we didn't want to use their image because we were scared to use their image. We could literally have Perplexity just come over here, create an image for this, and in seconds this has an image for us. And again, you could use this for advertising purposes, you could use this for content. The opportunities are endless, and this is basically like a content generation machine inside of your browser. And now this is actually done right here. You could see that this made an ad using this type of short saying it's the viral ice cream shorts and that it's catchy and playful. Now, of course, we would want to get that removed right there, but again, we would just chat with this back and forth, and this actually goes through and we could see the source of how this was actually created. We could see all the different steps that were actually done here. For example, the prompt that was used, and we could change that if we wanted to. And then also, if we come up over here, you could see that while this was happening, we could open up another window right here and we could say, please give me ideas for how to increase the conversion rate on this page or how to increase average order value. Now what this is going to do is this is going to analyze this page right here, and this is going to help us come up with ideas to increase the conversion rate and the average order value. So this goes through, it gives us basically like a bunch of different things that we could do to increase the average order value, to increase the cart upsell right here, and a bunch of different execution notes right here that we could then use for this brand if it was ours, or send to a brand if they were a client. Think about how much more quickly you can have this go through and do things, because not only can you get this to do this with one page, you could literally in an instant have this assistant go through the entire website and send optimizations to help increase their revenue. Now, use case number 3 is actually something that I didn't want to show you, but let's say that we were to come over here, we were going to go to YouTube and we were going to learn about something. For example, let's say we wanted to learn about this Aiden Ross video. We could literally just click on this right here, open up this video, and without watching it, we could come over here and say, please give me a full summary of this video and all of his best tips so I don't have to watch it. And then in an instant, Perplexity is going to watch this video, is going to summarize this video, and this is going to give us the main story and the guests, the key points, how he got rich, and a bunch of different things here that we can actually go through. And we could say, if we wanted to, please expand on why he says point number 7. Point number 7 right here is going to be around the value of ownership, and then this is actually going to go through and this is going to talk about why he actually emphasizes this point. So this completely changes the way that you are going to interact with not only YouTube videos, but also articles. Let's say that we came over here and we came over here, we came into finance, we could find a finance article down here. For example, we could actually just come over here and say, find an article about what happened in the stock market on Friday. This will actually go through. This is going to find an article for us. We can get a source, and then we could have it summarize that. So if we come over here, we can open up this Wall Street Journal article, and then boom, instantly, this goes through and summarizes this, and we could chat with this. So we don't actually have to waste our time reading this article. Now, before I get into all the other crazy use cases, I need you to smash that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest changes in AI. I upload videos like this every single day, and you're not going to want to miss them. Now, the next thing we could get this to do is actually compare and find products for us. For example, I want an espresso machine, so I'm going to come over here and say, I am in the market for an espresso machine. Please let me know the one that is the best bang for my buck and will get to me the quickest. And what this is going to do is this is going to go through and this is going to figure out exactly which is the best espresso machine for me to get and which one is going to get to me the fastest. Now, in addition to that, one other thing that I did want to highlight for you is that you could see edit widgets right here. This is where you can come through and you can add in a bunch of different widgets into your home page right here. In addition to that, straight from here, you'll be able to access regular Perplexity. So you could see things like finance, travel, shopping, academic. You could come into Discover right here. You could come into Spaces. You could build out labs in here. And there's so much that you can do. Now, I did lose that assistant window right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this right here and it will open up the tab for this. So I'm in the market for an espresso machine. This actually goes through, shows me which one I should buy, and it actually shows me a bunch that not only will I get free delivery, but also it highlights all the good things about it and the price. So if we come down here, we could see if I'm going to spend a little bit more, I should get this one, but otherwise, I should get this one. And this says that premium machines might not always ship as quickly, but Breville's partnerships with large retailers help ensure fast turnarounds. So I'm going to say, which one should I buy? And again, this goes through and literally tells me exactly which one I should buy and what's going to get here the quickest. So I'm going to go ahead and actually buy this. In fact, I could tell Perplexity Assistant right here to go through and buy this, and then it will just prompt me for my credit card and any other information that it needs. Let's say for argument's sake that I fell asleep, I woke up the next morning, and I had all these tabs open. If you're like me, happens to me almost every single day. So in the past, I would have to go through all these tabs, or I'd open up a new window, and by the end of the week, I'd literally have like 70 different tabs open, but not anymore with Perplexity. I'm going to say, please let me know what I was doing in each tab that was open and suggest ones that I should close if we're done there / there's not anything else for me to do. Now what this is going to do is analyze all of my open tabs, give me a summary of all of them, and it tells me which ones we should actually close and which ones I should leave open. So I'm going to say, please close those then. And then what this is going to do is literally go through and it is going to close my tabs for me. And this is going to clean this up so that I can be way more focused and I can get straight to it. Now, another thing that I really love about Comet Browser is this has access to my browsing history the same way that any other browser would. But I could come over here and I can ask it about things that I have completely forgotten about. For example, can you please go through my history and remind me the video I was watching about N8N, pull it back up, and summarize it. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to go through my browser history. It is going to find the video that I am referring to. It's searching through my open tabs, my recently closed tabs, and my browser history. It is finding a video on this topic, and then what it's going to do is it is going to open it back up. So we could see that 11 days ago, I was watching this video, and then it goes through and actually begins to summarize. I'm going to say, please provide the link plus summarize it. And then what I could do is have it find other videos like this and get it to expand on all of it. And now I can learn things without actually having to learn things. Like what we could see right here, this is now going through and summarizing a bunch of different videos about N8N. I'm going to say, please find more videos like this and add onto the knowledge. I want to learn everything there is about building AI agents with N8N. And you guys get how this is now way faster. In the past, I would have had to open up a bunch of different tabs. I would have had to go through and do a bunch of different research, but this is what the new world looks like. I would say this is what the future looks like, but this is currently here and it's available to everybody that uses Perplexity now. So look at this. This literally went through a 5-hour course, 23-minute course, 32-minute course, 52-minute course, and we can get this to go through all of these and give us all of the different things. So I'm going to say, please provide me with an in-depth training of what I want to learn based on all of these sources. What this is going to do is actually generate this for me. It's going to go through and literally go through like hours and hours and hours of all these different sources and tell me everything that I need to learn and give me recommended things about building my first agent, real-world automations, advanced agent techniques, and so much more. Now, the last use case that I wanted to show off here, because this is actually incredibly useful, is coming over here and coming into the Finance tab. Perplexity has partnered up with a bunch of different partners to bring in-depth information about US markets, crypto, earnings, and so much more. And doing Assistant with this is pretty incredible. So I'm going to say, for example, please provide me with a list of cryptos that saw the biggest loss today. Now, what this is going to do, this is going to go through, this is gathering the latest data of all this, and we could see all these different things that have dropped in price. Now, what we could do, we could take this right here, we could come over here, we could see this, and we could see this dropped 4%. Now, what we could get this to do is say, please go through this chart / all of this history. Let me know if you think I should buy this. And you can get this to set price alerts. You can now follow this, and this will actually go through and this will do a bunch of different research. So just days ago, surged 30%, gives us different technical signals, gives us different macro and sentiment signals, gives us a historical note, and gives us a recommendation right here and a summary. So we're getting all this detailed financial advice based off of just this. And if we come over here and we come back over into finance, let's say that we go into markets, let's say that we're going to be looking at the S&P futures right here, we can scroll down and we can see all the latest different price movements. We could see a watch list. We could see the top gainers, the top losers, ones that are the most active, and we can go through all these different things and have this analyze all these things for us basically instantly. Not sure if you've seen the reports yet, but Goldman Sachs just came out and said that they think in the next 12 months, AI is going to replace over 300 million jobs. So my question for you is, are you going to be one of those people that's replacing those jobs, or are you going to be one of the people that gets replaced because you didn't embrace AI? And that's exactly why I created AI Automation School that you could check out at the pinned comment below. In fact, I have special launch pricing right now. So if you want to stay ahead of what's happening in AI and you want to learn how to automate your work with AI, how to make more money with AI, how to build AI agents without knowing having to code, or you just want me to audit your personal AI workflow so we could speed things up for you, I strongly suggest that you check it out. Now, if you like this video, I strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a brand new AI tool that's going to help you replace all the other tools that you're using. I'll see you over there.